This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming credentials. Make sure you know the Apple ID and the device passcode. First, open Settings and tap Screen Time. This is the control hub. Once in Screen Time, glance at the top for whether Screen Time is enabled or if a Screen Time passcode is set. If a passcode exists, prepare to enter it now. If not, you can proceed directly. This immediate step puts you where you need to be to turn off downtime. Now tap Downtime inside Screen Time to access schedules and app limits. You will see a toggle and a time range. Toggle Downtime off to deactivate the schedule immediately. If the toggle is disabled or grayed out, check whether downtime is enforced by a Screen Time passcode or via family sharing. Those require the passcode or the organizer's device to change. Once toggled off, the device exits restricted mode. Finish by testing apps that were blocked. Open them to confirm downtime is off. If an app still shows as restricted, restart the iPad. Sometimes changes need a reboot to apply. If you're locked out by a Screen Time passcode you don't know, use the Reset Screen Time passcode option and sign in with the Apple ID used for Screen Time, or contact the family organizer to remove restrictions. If problems persist, update iPad OS, then repeat these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.